Love seeing those stories for sure. And you know what? We love the ever-changing weather across Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky. People joke and say, you know, if you don't like it now, wait a few hours. I think people say that in every single state. But one thing we can say around Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky is that we truly do have warm spikes in December, and today is going to be one of them. But of course, ahead of it, you know, there's change happening. So I want to go over the different scenarios for you. So if we were to get some storms early, I'm not talking about the rain coming in from our south right now. I'm talking about some thunderstorms. If we were to have some thunderstorms as we head around dinner time, that will decrease our severe weather threat. Now, if we don't see too much in the way of activity on the radar as we're around 6, 7, 8 o'clock, that is going to mean that our severe threat has slightly just verified itself and bolded itself even more, and that our severe threat is going to validate. So it's all about the cap of the atmosphere. We've got the instability, but basically if we can break through this cap and have some thunderstorms early, that will work to our advantage. Regardless though, if we have the storms early or late, it's going to be really windy. I'm talking winds in excess of 40 to even 55 miles per hour. And that goes with the storms early or with the storms late. So here's a live look for you right now in Lawrenceburg. I mean, it looks like Christmas, but it sure doesn't feel like it. Current temperature 57. And the reason you've got these rain showers, remember, that is associated with our warm front that is currently down to our south, and it is moving its way northward. So we still have a few showers around McMinnville as well as into Winchester. I do look for these to be quite of a splash alert for our morning because there's a lot of moisture associated with it. So that lifts northward. The longer the lull, the more unstable we stay. So if we do not start to see these showers and storms popping in until midnight, that's when I do want to make sure you've got everything good to go. And that's what we want to prepare ahead of time because who wants to get things together at 12 o'clock? Right now, these are current temperatures. We've got 46 in Crossville because you're right on that line of where that warm air is surging in, but you're not quite there. You head your way just over to Clarksville, you're at 60, 57 in Murray. So winds right now pretty light, 5 to 10 miles per hour. We head throughout the day, we're going to have these winds gusting into the 40s and even 50s. That continues throughout the overnight hours, and then by lunch tomorrow, winds will then shift. So the first half of the day, this is just some showers that are going to move in. These are great. They're fine. Not looking at a severe threat. It's going to be the second half of the day, and if we can get these storms to fire up faster. Unfortunately, models are tending to keep the path and the timing very similar to what it's been all week, with the exception of yesterday. That just shows you how fluid and how many moving parts there are. So if we get this moving in around 2, 3, 4 o'clock, which is what is anticipated, this will have a higher potential for some spin-up tornadoes. This will also have a higher potential for gustier winds, and we will still have some localized spots of heavy downpours. All of this will quickly exit out. Winds will then shift out of our north. So our severe threat, still that 3 out of 5 areas to the west. It carries over into the midnight hour. Main concerns, damaging winds for everybody, and the threat for potential spin-up tornadoes. Highs today in the 70s. Tomorrow we start out with our high and we drop throughout the day. Your afternoon you'll be in the 30s. 50s by Sunday. We stay dry Monday, Tuesday, and look, Amy, we do it all over again. By Wednesday, we're back in the low 70s. So you know change is coming, and it'll be something we keep a very close eye on to keep you safe.
All right, Nikki-Dee, thanks so much.